Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another double dip technique, but today I will use just black for a background on both my MDF boards. This is my background, and for the pattern that I will try to do a little differently, I will come to that. I have Cadence Rich Gold because I think that it will be okay here, and I have my titanium white thinned down really bad, so it will be a mixture of different consistencies and some metallic paints, and I will use a little of my pearl white too. So I will just pour some black on the board, not too much, because I think that I had a little too much base on my last one that I did. You want to have a nice coverage, but still not too much paint for the background, because it can eat your pattern design that you want to create. So with this technique you get some nice kind of tree effects that I really like. So this is what I'm going for, and for this technique it's better to use some tiles or wood or MDF boards or something than canvases. I will work on my sides later, and I just remembered that I didn't tape my back of these MDF boards, but it's not a big deal because I can sand with this paper, and it will be clean again, and then I can paint in black. So it's not a big deal, because you can do a lot if you use wood or MDF boards. Okay, so this is done. Where is my torch? I will torch this a little bit. And last time that I did this, you know, I did just drizzle all around, but today I just want to do some drizzle just in the middle, and I will start with this thinner white. See, just some drizzles in the middle, no particular order. And then will be my gold. Again, we'll try to keep more in the middle. We will see. And I will add some pearl white because I want some of this kind of foggy look, not foggy, smoky or something. This is just what I have in my head. Normal, I don't know if this will turn out as I have in my head, but if you don't try, you don't know. I will just move these cups a little bit. Oh, because I need the space here. Press them together to create this suction, and when I will pull them apart, it will create this kind of tree effects, hopefully. And you don't want to rush, you have to pull them apart slowly. Okay. I had in my head that I will get just one tree in the middle, but obviously I still add too much paint to get that I thought that I will, but I can definitely try to do this once more. I want a little more of negative space there. As I said, not exactly what I was hoping for, but I did get this lacing, but this gold is just not what I was going for. This one is more like what I have envisioned. Not exactly what I was hoping for, but I will probably keep this one and try to do something with another one on this one. Maybe we can do this on camera. And we will have a triptych, not diptych. Because I just don't like that one, so I will remove this one, that it's okay, and then we will put them back together. And I will definitely pour some black on this, and I will just dip another one on top. And let's do just some drizzle of white here and a drizzle of gold. Simple white. Okay. Let's see. It's a lot of suction. Yes. Wow, I'm in love with this. Wow. This will be a diptych, and the other one will be just for itself because doesn't fit here. These two really are beautiful and they belong together, so just see that I don't have paint on this corner. Wow. Love it, really love it. Okay. This will be the part that I want, probably, because it's still a lot of negative space, but amazing details. And I love this kind of gold flower here. And this one is gorgeous too, with all these white flowers here and some leaves here. I just love those two, so I'm happy that I did the third one. So, and this is the first one. Tell me what you think. Do you like the last diptych, or did you like the first one more? And now it's really it. And see you on the next one. Bye.